In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access dividend data on TradingView tutorial. First, open TradingView and load any chart you want to analyze. You can use a stock you follow or any symbol you're curious about. The exact ticker isn't important here. What matters is that you have a chart in front of you. Keep in mind that dividend markers only appear on securities that actually distribute dividends, such as many stocks and some ETFs, so you won't see them on crypto pairs or most indexes. With the chart open, move your cursor over the main chart area and right-click anywhere on the screen. This brings up the quick menu that lets you adjust how your chart looks and what information is displayed. From that menu, select Settings. This opens the Chart Settings panel, which is where you control almost everything about the chart's appearance and the data overlays you can show. Inside the Chart Settings panel, look for the Events section. Events are special markers that plot key corporate actions directly on your chart timeline, making it easier to connect market moves with real-world catalysts. Click into Events to see the available options. Find the Dividends option and turn it on. This tells TradingView to display dividend events for the symbol you're viewing. It's a small change but incredibly helpful if you're tracking income strategies or you want to understand how price behavior lines up with payout dates. While you're here, you'll also notice other event types like earnings and splits, which many traders find useful for broader context. Once Dividends is enabled, click OK to apply your changes and close the panel. You should now see small dividend markers appear along the chart at the dates when dividends were paid or announced, depending on the data available for that symbol. Hovering over a marker will show more detail, like the amount and the relevant date, helping you quickly gauge consistency and magnitude over time. If you don't see any dividend markers after enabling them, there are a few common reasons. The symbol may not pay dividends, the chart might be zoomed into a very short period with no dividend dates visible, or the data for that exchange might be limited. Try switching to a known dividend-paying stock or zooming out to view a longer history so those events can appear on the timeline. That's all you need to display dividend data on TradingView. With dividends visible, you can better align your technical analysis with income events and make more informed decisions about entries, exits, and yield-focused strategies.